welcome to This Week in Engineering.
Brought to you by engineering.com.
Supersonic biplanes. No supersonic passenger airliners have flown since the Concorde retired in 2003 due to high fuel costs, low passenger volumes, and noise disruption from the sonic boom. Now, computer models from MIT assistant professor Kiki Wang and his colleagues suggest that at supersonic speeds, a biplane would use less fuel, cause less drag, and produce a quieter sonic boom, as the shock waves from the two wing surfaces cancel each other out. I say this is the best invention to come out of aviation's golden age since leather jackets and frozen pizza. Thanks, Baron.
Windows 8 police car. Systems integrator Modularis has built a police car integrated with a tablet running Windows 8. While the app cannot drive the car, it can control such systems as the siren, lights, locks, and doors, both through its touchscreen and with vocal commands. A car running Windows? Alright, let's do this. It's like a regular car, but when it crashes, it kernel dumps. Its top speed is 90, 25 if antivirus is running, and you can only use its power locks if you're an administrator. And every time the car starts, it tells you there are 6 dozen engine upgrades that it strongly recommends.
Vibrating tattoo. Finnish mobile phone company Nokia has filed for a patent for a haptic feedback tattoo embedded in the skin that vibrates when it receives a magnetic signal, such as one coming from a ringing mobile phone. The tattoo would be partially made with ferromagnetic inks, which are first demagnetized at high temperatures, then attached to the skin, and finally magnetized through an exposure to an outside magnet. The tattoo could even vibrate differently when different people call. See? This tattoo of a teardrop says that my mom wants to talk. It also says that I killed a man.
One-man pothole filling. Traditionally, filling a pothole requires a 6-step process with several machines and a sizable road crew. Now, Python Engineering has created the Python 5000, a single machine that air blasts loose debris, sprays on tack oil, pours asphalt, and compresses the mound. New York City is currently testing the machines to see how they compare against existing road crews. I'm pretty sure that in New York, the way to test construction equipment is to place cones around it in a lane during rush hour, not fixing things for 3 weeks. How to do? Alright, let's buy 50 of them, eh?
Hydrogen fuel in a safe liquid. Hydrogen is an excellent clean fuel, but storing it can be dangerous, and producing it can produce carbon dioxide. Now, scientists from Brookhaven National Laboratory and Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology have developed a new catalyst that, in alkaline solutions, combines hydrogen and CO2 into liquid formic acid. In acidic solution, it releases hydrogen for use as a fuel. Safe hydrogen transport? I was looking forward to a Hinden car that sometimes explodes. We don't call it a Hinden car. We call it Pinto.
Battery made from paper waste. One of the byproducts of paper production is a pungent brown liquid known as brown liquor, often reused by paper mills for fuel. But now Ole Enganes from Sweden's Linköping University and Gregorec Milczarek of Poland's Poznan University of Technology have used the liquid to create a battery cathode without precious or rare metals. The cathodes are created when a conductive polymer called polypyrrole is combined with lignin derivatives in the waste liquid. This is great, but the paper industry produces lots of kinds of waste. Now, what can we do with all the political campaign memoirs? That's it for This Week in Engineering. For more information about these stories, check out the links in the description section.
If you like what you saw, let us know by leaving a comment, giving a rating, or clicking the like button. Alright, engineers, let's get back to work.